phones, laptops, and servers, but they spoke completely different digital languages. The goal was to create one single language that could navigate all these different systems without being rewritten from scratch every time a developer wanted to move their work to a new device. Take a look at this single block of code. In the past, you had to write separate programs for a Windows computer, a Mac, and a Linux server. With Java's platform independence, you write your code just once, and the system handles the rest. This makes the language incredibly portable. When you finish writing, your code is bundled into a digital passport, known as bytecode. This passport travels directly into any operating system without you needing to change a single line of your original work. The translation goes even deeper than the software you see on screen. Every computer has a differently designed brain, or processor. Java is built to be hardware neutral, meaning the code doesn't care about the specific internal blueprints of the processor it's running on. It fits into all of them perfectly. By acting as this universal translator, Java saves developers massive amounts of time. You can focus on building your app once, knowing it will be understood by almost any device on the planet. So we know that Java travels effortlessly between devices, but what is it actually like to build with? Why is it considered a master toolkit? First, it is remarkably simple. The creators stripped away the confusing, complex rules of older programming languages. What's left is clean, straightforward text that is highly readable for beginners. Watch how this structure comes together. Java uses object-oriented programming. Instead of one massive list of instructions, you build using small, self-contained objects that snap together logically. Because every piece is separate, you can easily copy a block into a new project, saving hours of typing. To speed things up even further, you get access to the rich standard library. Think of this as a massive warehouse of pre-made tools. If your app needs to connect to a Wi-Fi network or read a text file, you don't have to invent a way to do it. You just grab the right tool off the shelf. By combining clean text, reusable objects, and a fully stocked library, a small team can assemble complex software with very little friction. Building quickly doesn't matter if the final product crashes. Java is designed to proactively protect your system from unexpected bugs. Notice how this shield deflects erratic data away from the core operations. It is highly secure. When a Java program runs, it operates inside its own isolated bubble. It actively blocks any unauthorized code from sneaking out and accessing your computer's private files. It is also incredibly robust. Before software even starts running, Java acts like a strict proofreader. It scans your work, catching tiny errors and potential failures before they have a chance to break the program. Take a look at this memory grid showcasing automatic garbage collection. Instead of cleaning temporary data manually, an automated system sweeps away unused data blocks. Without this, old data piles up until the computer freezes. Java handles this silently, keeping the system running at top speed. These built-in safety measures ensure maximum stability. It is exactly why massive global enterprises trust this language with their most sensitive financial and personal data. Java is built for scale, designed to handle immense workloads that would overwhelm a standard application. Watch this data stream. Java handles heavy workloads through multithreading. Instead of squeezing a massive task through one pipe, it splits work into independent threads that process simultaneously. To keep threads moving quickly, a real-time translator turns bytecode into native language instantly, executing tasks immediately. And this power isn't confined to a single computer. Because Java is distributed, an application can smoothly share a heavy workload across a vast network of servers located all over the world. It is even dynamic enough to adapt on the go. If your software needs a new capability, it can load fresh instructions while the program is actively running, completely avoiding a full system restart. This ability to juggle multiple tasks, translate code instantly, and adapt across networks makes Java the engine of choice for global cloud and data systems. When you look at how we live today, you can see the scale of what this engine supports. Our modern systems rely on the foundation Java provides to keep data moving reliably. Java is the underlying logic inside millions of Android phones. It handles the millions of transactions occurring in banking systems, and it manages the data flowing through smart devices in our homes. By combining clean, readable syntax with intense security and multitasking power, it balances a beginner-friendly learning curve with enterprise-grade strength. As you can see here, this toolkit is simple, secure, and powerful. Now that you understand how the pieces fit together, the next step is to open it up and start practicing these features yourself. Mastering this language gives you the exact skills you need to create resilient, universally compatible software that connects our devices and keeps our modern systems running.